Hi students, I'm Sonia from Vidya Guru. We are starting a new session on English errors. If you like the session, press the like button. Share the video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you do that, you will get the benefit of a whole lot of exam relevant videos which we upload. We'll start from the very first question. See, these all are the questions which were there in the past year papers. The questions are going to be very helpful whenever you actually study from the perspective of any subject, any rule. You are going to get such rules in your exam, and I feel that you should watch the video till the end because the revision is going to be very beneficial. I'll make you revise whatever I'm going to teach you in the entire session. We'll start from the very first question, which is about Elon Musk. Elon Musk has done a great job of taking the company to its present status, but it is time he let go of the reins. See, he is supposed to abandon now because he has done a lot. He has done a lot for the company. What I'm saying is that Elon Musk has done a lot, has done a great job. He has brought company to this level, to this status. The present status is actually, Elon Musk is responsible for bringing the company to this level, but this is the time that he should leave it, he should abandon it, he should actually leave the charge. That is, let go of the reins. That means leave the charge, leave the responsibility, let go of something means, that's OF, not OFF, that's basically the expression, and you need to know that let go of the reins here as well. The same error is there where you have to remove one F because the expression has single F in it. When you say let go of something, that means you are saying that you are going to leave it, you are going to abandon it, you are not going to take the responsibility of it, that means you are leaving it. That is let go of something, that means leaving it. Let go of something, leaving it, abandoning it. What I am saying is that let go of the reins will not have double F, you have to remove one, that's the expression, leave something. So Elon Musk should leave it, should leave the charge, that's let go of the reins. The error is in the C part. The next question is, the Mumbai police have found the body of a man. You need to observe something. I've written have here, which says that the police is plural, and that is why post police we need to write, we should use plural verbs like are, like were. That is why I've used have here. I am saying police are, the police were, the police have. They all are correct because generally people say that when the police is there, you should not write have here. You have to write have because the plural verb is expected to be used after police because it is the plural subject. The Mumbai police have found the body of a man. They have actually found the body of a man who they believe to be the prime suspect. You need to understand the man, they believe him, the man, for him. When I actually try to make the things easier for me, see, if there are people who read the sentence and they can actually straight away tell you the answer is going to be whom here, but they are not familiar with the reason because such questions are going to be there in the exam. How will you take out the answer if you are not aware of the reason? Here I am telling you the reason of it, and that reason is it should be whom here. And what's the reason of writing whom here? The meaning is, when you read the sentence, it is going to be like that. They believe him to be the prime suspect. Who's that prime suspect? I am saying who's believing that this man is the prime suspect. A person who's believing, or the police who's believing, believing, that means that police is they. That police is they. When the police, the word police is expressed as they here, that's the subject of this part. When we say that they believe him, that means I am thinking that him, that man is an object here. It is not he here. Can I say that they believe he to be the prime suspect? Can you understand what I am saying? They believe he to be the prime suspect. It is not. They believe him to be the prime suspect. That means subject is believing and that object is the prime suspect. So here him is referring to the object. For the object, we are supposed to use objective case here, and that is whom and not who. Who is the subjective case? Who is the subjective case? Who's your friend? He is my friend, she is my friend. So the answer comes here when we ask a question by the pronoun who, by the interrogative pronoun who, that's going to be in he or she. Subjective case, that's who. It should be whom here because whom is used for the object and that object is him. Going to repeat. The Mumbai police have found the body of a man. The Mumbai police have found the body of a man whom they believe to be the prime suspect. Okay, they believe, who's that person? They believe him. That means subject, object. For this object, this relative pronoun is here, and that right relative pronoun which is going to be here, that's going to be whom and not who, because it is used for the object. Object, objective case. The error is in the B part. This government has given subsidies to the Navratnas, but there is no telling whether the subsequent one will do. We are talking about a thing that is this government, the present government says that the present government, the sentence says that the present government has given subsidies, has given subsidies to Navratnas. But we cannot say, but there is no telling, we cannot say that the subsequent one, that means the other government which is going to come later on, afterwards the government which is going to come, that government will do the same. Can we say that? No. Will do the same. That's the context here. I'm emphatically saying that. I'm saying the subsequent one, that means the government which is going to come after this government has given subsidies, but we are not sure that the latter one, the subsequent one is going to do the same. So the meaning is that this government has done something and this government, the coming government, the coming government which is going to come will do the same. So it should be will do so. One will do so, because so here is going to give you the meaning of the same. The error is in the C part, going to repeat it. This government has given subsidies to the Navratnas. Subsidies have actually been given to Navratnas by this government. But we are not sure, we cannot say that the next government, the subsequent one will do the same. So will do the same should be subsequent one will do so. The error is in the C part. Since the advent of cable television at the beginning of this decade, the entertainment industry took a giant stride forward in our country. First of all, write down the meaning of the word stride, that's long steps, kind of jump, long steps, kind of jump. Okay, this is the point. When the origin of cable television at the start, at the beginning of this decade, when cable television originated, when actually it started basically, that was the point of time, that is why we have used the word since here. The error is in the entertainment industry took a giant stride. It should be has taken here. What's the reason of writing has taken here? First of all, write down the answer. When we use the word since, it is used for the point of time, that you should know. And there are two tenses in which we use since. The first one is present perfect tense and the second one is present perfect continuous. When we say it is present perfect or present perfect continuous, you need to understand here we have not used either of them. We did not use present perfect, we did not use present perfect continuous. We are expected to use either present perfect or present perfect continuous. We cannot use past indefinite or simple past here. As we have mentioned, we have written took here. It should not be there. There's a reason behind it. I'm going to make you understand. What's that? It is, let's look at the examples. It is 2 years have passed since my cousin died. 2 years have passed since my cousin died. And here I'm telling you that when my cousin died, that was the point of time. Since then, 2 years have passed. Since then, 2 years have already passed. That means that time is over. 2 years have actually passed since then. It has happened. It has happened since then 2 years have passed. Now, one more example which is going to prove that it should be has or has been ing here. Okay, one sentence which says since 1947, India and Pakistan, since 1947, India and Pakistan have fought 2 wars. Write down the sentences. Since 1947, India and Pakistan have fought 2 wars. The next sentence is, since 1947, India and Pakistan have been playing cricket. You need to understand, since that time, we have finished 2 wars. Since that point of time, 1947, since then we have fought 2 wars. That has actually happened. That has actually happened. But in the other sentence, we are saying that India and Pakistan started playing cricket at the point of time, and that was 1947. Since then we have been playing. Even now we play cricket. Even now we play cricket. But in the prior sentence, we were saying we have finished it. We have finished it. We have fought 2 wars. We have finished the war. Similarly, it is happening here. No continuation sort of feeling is here. That is why when we choose since, we say that it should be in present perfect tense or present perfect continuous. I told you it should be present perfect tense and not continuous, because there is no reason I can write down ing here or use ing here. The meaning says the cable television originated, as in started at the beginning of this decade. Entertainment industry has already taken, since that point of time, it has already taken a giant jump forward. That means it has progressed so much. That means has taken, since that point of time, it has taken a giant stride. Stride means long steps. So the error is in the C part. It should be has taken here. Since 1981. I have written this sentence here deliberately. The error is different, but I am going to tell you the same thing here as well. You can make out. Since 1981, when the farm depression began, generally students say, you have just said that since, when the since is there, it should be has, have, third form. No, but the same error is not there here. The reason is 2 commas have been used here. 2 commas have been used here. When 2 commas are there, you need to understand that's the additional information which is being provided about, something. This is basically the additional information which is there in the 2 commas. Now you need to read it like that. Since 1981, that's the sentence. The main one is the number of, since 1981, the number of acres overseen by professional farm management companies have grown. Did you observe that? I have mentioned have grown here, present perfect tense, present perfect with since, present perfect with since. That's what I was explaining in the upper sentence. So since 1981, the number of acres overseen, supervision is done by the professional farm management companies. Overseen, supervision done by the professional farm management companies have grown from 48 million to nearly 59 million. There can be many reasons. You need to understand the sentence properly. What is growing here? First of all, there is a point of time here, since 1981. The additional information is that the farm depression was happening. The production of the farm was not that high, it was rather low. The production through farm was low. That is why farm depression began. What was happening? What did we start basically? We started the number of acres overseen by professional farm management companies have grown. It says that number of acres have grown. Number of acres have grown. The number of acres which were actually supervised by the professional farm management companies, those acres were grown basically. So we are saying the number of acres have grown from 48 million to 59 million. Did you understand the question? Something has grown, acres have grown from 48 million to 59 million. What sort of acres were they? They were actually supervised by the farm management professionals, farm management companies. What was the reason? The reason was because the farm depression began. Alright, the answer is, write it down like this. When the expression the number is there, when the expression the number is used, it is the singular expression. It carries the singular meaning. Singular subject will have singular verb here. It should not be have grown, it should be has grown here. The error is in the B part. The error is in the B part. The answer is the number of acres has grown. The number of acres has grown. The next sentence is, it will be us who had left the premises before he arrived. The answer is it will be we. Sounds odd, but the answer is we. The reason is, you have to write down the reason. It is that it clause should have subjective case. It clause should have subjective case. When we move ahead, when we move forward, we say that it clause is followed by, it clause should have the subjective case. And what is the subjective case? Not us, it should be we. When somebody writes, it was her at the window, the right answer is it was she at the window. Because with it clause, we are supposed to use the subjective case. So her should not be there, she had to be there, it was she at the window, and not it was her at the window. Similarly, it will be we who had left the premises before he arrived. That's all right. If you did not understand that, I'm going to explain it once again. First of all, write down this reason, that after it clause, we need to write the subjective case, we need to use subjective case. Leave the entire part, consider it a question. Who had left the premises? Consider it a question. Who had left the premises? We had left the premises or us had left the premises? Who is the subjective case? When we ask a question by the word who, then the answer will be in the subjective case. The answer is going to be we had left the premises. It should not be us had left the premises. That's how you will come to know that I am telling you the right thing, and that is who, prior to who, we have used the subjective case, we, that's the reason. If you leave the entire part, read it like that. We who had left the premises. If you read it like that, then also the answer is going to be we. If you make a question, the answer will be we. And after it clause, the subjective case is used, that is also the reason. The error is in the A part. It must be noticed that under no circumstance should the company go in for diversification. So the company should not go ahead any condition, under any circumstance, the company should not diversify, should not go ahead with diversification. So it must be noticed? No, it must be noted. It must be noted. It is basically an expression. It should be noted, it has to be noted, so it must be noted. It cannot be, it must be noticed. The words seem to be the same, but they have different meanings, and when it is an expression, you cannot change the words like that. It should be, it must be noted that under no circumstance, the company should go ahead with the diversification. It must be noted. I am starting the revision very quickly. Let go of the reins, that means leaving something. Let go of something, that means you are leaving the charge, which will have single F. Police is plural, that is why we have used have here. Whom had to be used because they believe him. See, I was writing him. This is not the answer. I was just making you understand. The answer is whom here. The answer is whom here. They believe him. For that him, we have used an objective case here, and that objective case is whom and not who. Because him is also an objective case. One will do so because we were referring to the prior work of this government, and the subsequent government is supposed to do the same. That is why for the same we have used will do so. The next part is when we use since, it should be actually used with present perfect tense or present perfect continuous tense. It should be present perfect here, and we had used earlier, we had used past indefinite tense, which was not expected to be there. Has taken is there, present perfect tense was used with since. The next tense is since. Has grown had to be there. The reason is the same, that the number is there, the number is there, the number is the singular expression, singular term, that is why we are expected to use the singular verb with it. With it clause, we are expected to use the subjective case. It must be noted rather than it must be noticed. We are wrapping it up. Thank you.